saying, I don't have a balance at home. Well, I've got some great news. You can make your own balance. Let me show you how to do it. All you need to make your own balance is a hanger, some yarn or string, and 2 plastic cups. Styrofoam cups would work also. So what you need to do first is you need to have a grown-up put holes in your cups. You need a hole on each side of the cup. See how I put a hole there? And then directly across, I put another hole. And I did that on both of my cups. Now make sure it's a grown-up that puts those holes in there for you. Now once you do that, then you're going to get some string. Now you want to make sure that you cut your string the same length. So you see how I made sure that my string has the same starting point and the same ending point, because you want your string to be the same length. The next thing you do is you take one of your strings and you put it through the hole of the cup like this, and you tie it. Make sure you tie it in a knot that is tight enough so it doesn't come loose when you're using it to measure. Then you take the other side and you put it in the other hole. And you tie it nice and tight, just like you did with the other side. Nice and tight. Now when you're done, your cup will look like that. Then you want to make sure you tie the string on the other cup the same way you did on the first cup. Now you're ready to put them on the hanger. When you have a hanger like this, you can just put it right there in the groove on that side, and then put this one on the groove on that side. Now you're ready to use it as a balance. You've made your own balance. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now you're ready to test it out. All you have to do is find a doorknob. You take your hanger and you place it on the doorknob. And then you get some objects that you want to compare to see which one is heavier and which one is lighter. Before you put it in your balance, you can test it with your hands. Put one of the objects in one hand and the other object in the other hand, and then see if you can determine which one is heavy and which one is lighter. Sometimes it's hard to determine without a balance. So now I can use my balance that I made to see which one is heavier and which one is lighter. You simply just put the objects inside the cups and watch what happens. Do you see how this side went down? That means that the blue ball is heavier. And this side went up. So the eraser is lighter. The eraser is lighter